I'm Ryan, and this is my beautiful wife.
Hi, I'm Irene.
And this is my ID from Jialux Interior.
Hi, I'm Melvin.
I do a lot of online research, so I chanced upon one of his previous clients. So we contacted him, and he had a very good feedback from the previous owner. So we tried to call him out and make an appointment with him.
The previous owner shared with us about the price of his renovation. We felt that it was reasonable. Then at the same time, he mentioned to us an important point is that they don't really have any hidden costs after deciding on the quotation. So we felt that it was a big concern for a lot of customers, which we were very assured of.
After listening to the requirements of Ryan and Irene, so I decided on modern luxury for them because mostly they are looking at white, black and grey with a touch of elegance and also relaxing and party friendly.
That's the most important, huh?
Yeah. So after listening to them, then I decided on this. I think they are on the same page as me. So during the whole renovation, they gave me a very easy time. So they trusted me 100%.
I think generally the renovation process was quite smooth. I mean, of course, here and there renovation, there might be some small little issues rising up, but I think Alvin did a good job. He was very prompt. He also did very well in terms that if there's any urgent matters, he also stayed up for 3 hours to brainstorm with us on how to tackle the issues. So we were quite assured that everything will go well at the end of the day.
I really love this whole design. So we really appreciate him a lot. If I really have to choose, for me, I would choose my bar counter. Alvin also did a good job on the island bar design, as he understands that I work in marine line. So he designed the island bar to look like the bow of a vessel. So it was very nice.
I really like the walk-in wardrobe because I think it's every little girl's dream. There is easily accessible compartments for my bags, as well as I have a shoe display cabinet where I can choose the shoes that match with my clothes. And on top of that, there was also a cabinet for me to put all my accessories in those little boxes.
Basically, what they wanted is to have dinner while watching TV. So I suggested a rotating feature wall so that they can just watch TV while they are having dinner or having a game of pool.
One important feature that I told Alvin that I needed is a mirror near the door so that I can do my style check before I leave the house. I
would like to advise some of the new owners to really search online for good contractors, ID firms, and at least know your preference on your theme, whether is it modern, Scandinavia or industrial feel, and advise your ID some of the color preference that you really have. I will really strongly recommend Jialux Interior, Alvin, for his good workmanship, and he really can manage his team well and perfect design. We would like to thank Alvin, our ID, for making our dream home a reality.
Yes, it's been a pleasure working with you guys.
Let's give Alvin a toast to hard work.
Cheers!
Cheers.